At DigiProces supply chain department, we are responsible to coordinate suppliers, distributors, and forwarders to ensure that all the required components for our production processes arrive on our factory on schedule and in the required condition, allowing us to meet delivery commitment to customers on time. Our goal is to guarantee manufacturing and delivery to customer orders, offering detailed tracking and transportation communication. We continually work on resource optimization strategies and stay alert to the market conditions, maintaining flexibility to respond promptly to change in supply or demand. We make use of big data processing and business intelligence tools for agile decision making. Additionally, we prioritize proximity operations, ensuring more direct and faster communication with our partners while contributing for the reduction of the carbon footprint.